Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see cookies in ASP.NET. We are taking one text box. For creating cookie, we are taking one button, text of the button, create cookie, an ID, btn create. Double click on this button. In click event of this button, we are going to create cookie. We are using HTTP cookie class. An object of this class car cookie, and in constructor of this class we are giving cookie name. So name of the cookie is car. Now we want to set the values, or we want to store the values in the cookie. So here with this object, here we can see key. We are using car name key for storing the name of the car entered in text box. So car cookie car name is equal to textbox1.text. For adding this cookie on client's machine or in browser, we are using response object dot cookies dot add method, and in bracket we have to write object name, that is car cookie. So here response dot cookies dot add car cookie. For showing message, we are taking one label label1.text cookie created successfully. If we run this application, we have entered the name of the car Hyundai Creta and click on this create cookie button. Cookie created successfully. In Google Chrome browser, we can see the cookies. Click on these three dots, settings, privacy and security. Then here cookies and other site data. See all cookies and site data. Here we can see the cookie. The cookie is created on localhost. If we click on this, we can see the cookie here and all information about the cookie. So here cookie name is car, content is car name is equal to Hyundai Creta, domain localhost, and here we can see time of creation of the cookie Sunday, March 28, 2021 at 5:51:20 p.m. and expires when the browsing session ends. For reading the cookie, we are taking another button, text of the button, read cookie, ID of the button, btn read. Double click on this button. Here we want to retrieve the values of cookie. So here we are using request object cookies collection. So here dot cookies. Then in bracket here we can see name of the cookie to retrieve. So here we have to give name of the cookie which is car. HTTP. So here we use the same object. If there is cookie present on client machine or in the browser, then we can retrieve the value of the cookie. And if there is no cookie and we try to retrieve the value, then there will be exception. So here we first check if there is cookie present on client machine or not. So here if if request.cookies car is not equal to null, then http cookie car cookie is equal to request.cookies car, else label1.test cookie not found. Car cookie, here we have to pass the key. This is the name of the key car name. So here car name, and we want to display the value in label 1. So here label 1 dot text. Here car name. If we see now, here we have not created cookie, and if we try to read the cookie not found. Create cookie created successfully, and if we read cookie, then we get the name Maruti Ciaz. If we refresh the page, there is no name, and if we click on read cookie button, then we get Maruti Ciaz. Here we can see created. Here we get the time of creation of cookie, and here expires when the browsing session ends. If we close this browser and again we run the application, now if we try to read the cookie not found, and here see all cookies and site data, there is no cookie. So till now we have created non-persistent cookie. Now we are taking new button, text remove cookie, id button remove. Double click on this button. Now we are taking same cookie object, so copy this line, car cookie dot expires is equal to datetime dot now dot. Here we can add days, hours, minutes, months, anything we want. Here datetime dot now dot add minutes 1. If we click this button, then This cookie will expire 1 minute after the creation time of cookie. And here response.cookies.add the name of the object car cookie. This line is important. If we do not add this line, then the cookie will not remove after 1 minute. Label 1.text is equal to cookie remove time car cookie dot expires. Run the application. We have created cookie, we have read the cookie, and if we see here created time and expires when the browsing session ends. And if we click on this remove cookie, then remove time, and if we see here, now the expiry time is added here. And if we see now cookies and other site data, there is no cookie. See all cookies, cookie is removed. So in this way we have created non-persistent cookie, and then with this remove button we have added the expiry time and removed the cookie. Previously, at the time of creation, the cookie was non-persistent cookie. When the browser was closed at that time, cookie was removed or deleted. Now if we add this line here and here, car cookie dot expires is equal to the time now dot add minutes. Here we give dot add dates, and here 1. Here we have given the expiry time, so this cookie will remain till this time period. Now here in remove button, instead of 1 minute we give here 5 minutes. In btn create date time now add days 1, and here in remove button date time now add minutes 5. And if we run the application, create cookie, cookie created successfully, read cookie, Toyota Yaris, and if we close this browser and if we run the application again, and if we click on read cookie button, here we can retrieve the value from cookie. So here we get the car name from cookie, Toyota Yaris. and here created Monday, March 29, 6:23 p.m. and expires Tuesday, March 30 at 6:23 p.m. So this cookie will be expired or removed or deleted from the machine one day after the creation time. And if we click on remove cookie button, now cookie remove time 29/3/21, 18:32:47. So this cookie is persistent cookie. This is the expiry time, but after clicking the remove button, we can see that time has changed here. So expires Monday, March 29, 21 at 6:32:47 p.m. Now if we see here, now we cannot able to see the cookie here. See all cookies and site data. Here cookie is removed or deleted from the browser or from the machine. In this way, persistent cookie is created and deleted with remove button, or add 5 minutes. This time we can mention here also. Today we have seen how to create, how to read and how to remove cookie from browser or from the client machine. We have seen what is non-persistent cookie and what is persistent cookie, and how to create non-persistent cookie and how to create persistent cookie, and read and remove those cookies. That's all for cookies in ASP.NET. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.